I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your public 2026 account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Navigate to the public 2026 website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the device you want to remove. Step 2. Access device settings. Once logged in, find the settings or account management section in your profile. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Locate connected devices. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Connected Devices or Device Management. Click on it to see a list of devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. From the list of connected devices, identify the one you wish to remove. Click on it to bring up more options. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the device, look for a Remove or Disconnect button. Click it and confirm your choice when prompted. This step is crucial, as some users miss the confirmation dialog and think the device is still connected. Now you should be all set. If you follow these steps, removing a device from your public 2026 account will be a breeze. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.